It seems like everybody's talking about SD-WAN. In fact, more than 1/5 of all businesses are looking to SD-WAN to improve their network quality. So, what's all the fuss about? Well, to see why it's such a hot topic, let's talk about how networks connect businesses around the world. A network is like a highway that keeps a company's offices connected. The cars on the highway are the data packets transferred back and forth between the different branches. The most common technique for network connectivity is called MPLS, which redirects the traffic to the office it needs to go to using one type of internet connection. Manually adding, switching, or merging lanes to increase the flow of traffic is costly and time-consuming. There hasn't been a compelling alternative to this method of managing their networks until now. That alternative is SD-WAN. SD-WAN stands for Software Defined Wide Area Network. Basically, it creates a way for companies to install and manage a hybrid of private and/or public network services that can be deployed virtually anywhere. SD-WAN takes the intelligence from traditional telecommunications hardware and turns it into pure software, making your network faster, less expensive, and more flexible. This allows it to give priority to mission-critical applications to ensure they run smoothly at all times. So there's no need to worry about employees browsing cat videos and taking up bandwidth those applications need. It automatically measures the quality of multiple network paths and creates a combined path that's better than the sum of its parts. This gives companies a faster network with almost no downtime by directing the flow of traffic into the fastest, most stable lanes. It can be more cost-effective than other techniques because it requires less physical equipment to get offices up and running. Now, to get online, the branch offices only need to plug in their SD-WAN forwarder and let it sync to the configuration of the main office. So, now we know what SD-WAN is and why it's become such a popular private WAN solution. There's just one more question to answer. How do you know which supplier fits your company? That's why today's IT leaders turn to a vendor-neutral technology advisor instead of going directly to the suppliers. With a vendor-neutral technology advisor, you get the benefit of a quality solution crafted to meet your needs. You'll gain access to multiple pre-qualified suppliers without negotiating contracts with any of them. These technology advisors aren't required to meet supplier sales quotas, meaning they provide you truly unbiased, best fit recommendations, not just the ones that'll pad their pockets like a supplier salesperson might. And don't forget customer support for when things go wrong, and they always do. This technology advisor is invested in your company long term. Their loyalty is to your business, not whatever supplier they happen to jump to from year to year. Your technology advisor fights for you like a true partner to get your issues resolved before, during, and after installation. So, that's it. SD-WAN solutions are cutting-edge, scalable, and extremely cost-effective. And a vendor-neutral technology advisor helps you choose the best option. No strings attached. Want to learn more? Contact us, and let's talk about what your SD-WAN needs are today.